बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूंगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 2 जून 2024 के अखबार में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब है। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन डिजिटल पाकिस्तान वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट। एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग position in Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunication on contract basis, Technical Advisor Strategy and Media MP1 scale. Details including required qualification TOR/job description, conditions to apply, age limit, shortlisting criteria etc are available on the website of the Ministry and National Job Portal. NJP candidates meeting the required criteria should submit their applications at the URL address given below within 15 days of publication of the advertisement. No hard copy of application shall be accepted and all applications must be sent via NJP online. Shortlisted candidates who are working in government sector are required to produce NOC at the time of interview. This ministry believes in gender equality. http://www.moitt.gov.pk http://www.njp.gov.pk Ghulam Fareed, Section Officer Admin, Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunication, 7th floor, Kausar ब्लॉक पार्क सेक्रेटेरिएट इस्लामाबाद। टेलीफ़ोन नंबर है 0519209785 0519209785। नेशनल सेंटर फॉर फिज़िक्स सिचुएशंस वैकेंट। नेशनल सेंटर फॉर फिज़िक्स इस्लामाबाद रिक्वायर्स इंडिविजुअल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोस्ट प्योरली ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस। नंबर 1 मैनेजर टेक्निकल BPS 18/equivalent। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस इन द रेलेवेंट फील्ड PhD engineering metallurgy/electrical/electronics/computer/IT bracket close B PhD physics/material science. Number C PhD computer/IT D PCS/BIT 4 years degree with first division along with 6 years experience in the relevant field. E BE/BSc engineering computer/ID with first division along with 6 years experience in the relevant field. F MSc ENGG computer/ID with first division along with 4 years experience in the relevant field. Number 2 assistant manager technical BPS 17/equivalent. A BE/BSc engineering electrical/electronics/mechatronics/mechanical with first division. B MS/MSc engineering electrical/electronics/systems with first division. C BS/MSc 16 years ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस/इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स/ with first division. D MS/MPhil 18 years artificial intelligence/electronics with first division. BS/MSc physics/chemistry first division. BCS/BIT/BSc 4 years degree computer science/software engineering with first division or equivalent. G BE/BSc engineering computer/IT with first division. H MCS with first division after 4 years of BCS/MSc engineering 18 years computer/IT with first division. 3 assistant manager technical BPS 17/equivalent PS/MSc 16 years mathematics with first division. Number 4 Tech 1/junior chargeman/CO/CD BPS 9/10/equivalent. A 3 years diploma of associate engineer electronics/information and communication technology/electrical/telecom/computer/ instrumentation/mechanical/HVAC/auto and diesel with first division from recognized polytechnic institute. Or B metric and retired HAV/equivalent VM from Pak Army/Navy/Air Force. Number 5 Tech 2 BPS 7/8 equivalent A 03 years diploma of associate engineer mechanical/electrical with first division from recognized polytechnic institute. B metric with science first division with 2 years apprenticeship/certificate in electrical/mechanical along with 2 years experience as electrical technical/fitter. Number 6 Tech 3 BPS 5/6 equivalent A metric with science with minimum second division with at least 50% marks along with 6 years experience as plumber/HVAC technician. B metric with science with minimum second division with at least 50% marks with 1 year technical course technical/drafting along with 5 years experience as plumber/HVAC technician. 7 lab attendant/tech 4 BPS 1/4 equivalent metric with science with minimum second division with at least 50% marks with aptitude test. Important instructions. Third division is not acceptable in the entire academic career, preferably first class academic career. However, 1 second division 50% marks is allowed except in final degree where first division 60% marks or CGPA 3.0/4.0 is a prerequisite of a post. First class degree means a minimum of 60% marks for annual system or CGPA 3.0 out of 4.0 for semester system, and second class means a minimum of 50% marks for annual system or minimum CGPA 2.0 out of 4.0 for semester system. Maximum age limit on closing date of advertisement is 35 years. However, relaxation in age may be given as per rules. Candidates must have obtained educational degrees from the institutions/universities duly recognized by Higher Education Commission and registered with Pakistan Engineering Council for engineering degree, Board of Technical Education/government recognized institutes. Post qualification experience means the experience gained after date of attaining required qualification till the closing date. Candidates already employed in government/semi-government organizations must provide no objection certificate NOC from their employees at the time of test/interview. The responsibility of correctness of the data will rest purely on the candidate. Only the candidates who fulfill prescribed eligibility criteria may apply. Candidature of those who do not fulfill the requirements/provide wrong/fake data/concealed data and apply for any of the above positions may be cancelled at any stage during the process of selection or subsequently, and no claim whatsoever will be acceptable during and after selection. Selected candidates may be considered for advance increments and antedate seniority as per rules. Venue of written test/interviews is Islamabad. Not E/J will be admissible for appearing in test/interviews. Individual having dual nationality or married to foreign national is not eligible to apply. Candidates must apply online. Only applications submitted in hard form will not be entertained. Candidates having done O/A level should provide equivalent marks given by IBCC in the application. Complies to advertised criteria does not guarantee shortlisting if large number of applicants meet prescribed criteria. Further shortlisting may be carried out on the basis of higher grades in respective degrees/relevant experience/any other criteria deemed appropriate by the organization. The organization reserves the rights to withdraw/cancel the post or reject any application at any stage. Without assigning any reason, candidates can apply for 2 posts only. Individuals having desired qualification/experience given above should only apply through online NCP job portal https://www.ncp.edu.pk. 8443 /ncpsims/login.jsp within 15 days of this advertisement. In case of any query, email at hr@ncp.edu.pk. For detailed job specification, please visit our website www.ncp.edu.pk. General Manager, Admin and HR, National Center for Physics, Islamabad. Telephone number 0512077300, 0512077300, extension 456 and 462, 0512077385, 0512077385, www.ncp.edu.pk, www.ncp.edu.pk. HR email hr@ncp.edu.pk, hr@ncp.edu.pk. Say no to corruption. Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation Head Office, 13H for House 9, Islamabad, 44790. Vacancy announcement. Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation (PMDC) is a state-owned enterprise responsible for the exploration, mining and marketing of various minerals. Operates under the administrative control of Ministry of Energy, Petroleum Division, Government of Pakistan. PMDC invites applications for the following post on open contract basis. Position: Manager Finance. Qualification: a member of a recognized body of professional accountants. Experience: 8 years. Relevant experience: age 45 years. Key job responsibilities: developing and overseeing financial plans, budgets and forecasts to guide the organization's financial strategy and decision-making processes, ensuring accurate and timely preparation of financial statements, identifying, assessing and managing financial risks faced by the organization such as market risk, credit risk and operational risk, monitoring cash flow, optimizing working capital and developing strategies to manage liquidity effectively, ensuring compliance with relevant laws, regulations and international financial reporting standards / international accounting standards. Note: departmental candidates are required to apply through proper channel, market-based, negotiable salary. The company reserves the right to fill or not to fill the advertised positions. The last date for submission of applications is 24/6/2024. Incomplete and late applications will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. Complete application form available at PMDC website, filled with complete supporting details including educational and experience letters. No TA/TA will be admissible for interview. Complete application form available at PMDC website, filled with complete supporting details including educational and experience letters. Be sent in envelope marked application for Manager Finance on the top right corner or through email to hr@pmdc.gov.pk. Applicants can also apply online through the link www.njp.gov.pk. General Manager, HR and EA, Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation Head Office, Plot number 13, Sector H9, Islamabad. Telephone number है 92519265 92519265 फैक्स 92519265 भी है और 29 भी है. 92519265 से लेकर 29 तक. इस्लामाबाद इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई कंपनी IESCO जिम्मेदारी निभाएं. आइस्को कंपनी में बिजली चोरों के खिलाफ बिला इम्तियाज़ क्रैकडाउन जारी है. बिजली चोरी की इत्तला मुताल्लिका SDO या आइस्को हेल्पलाइन 118 पर दें. करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी. Islamabad Electricity Supply Company is a leading power distribution company of Pakistan, serving more than 3.80 million customers with annual revenue base of over rupees 355 billion, having operational jurisdiction that covers 6 districts, namely Islamabad, Rawalpindi, Murree, Attock, Jhelum and Chakwal. ISCO is actively looking for hiring the services of an experienced, dynamic, high caliber and result oriented professional to work as Deputy Director Security as part of its team who can undertake the challenging assignment effectively. The candidate is expected to have demonstrated capability and potential for his respective responsibilities and proactive management style. Job description and responsibility. The incumbent shall report to CEO IESCO on all security matters within IESCO and ensure security within IESCO in coordination of respective heads, grid/installation/store/divisions in charge etc. with technical guidance and assistance on security matters at installations located in their zones of responsibility through respective security inspectors/sergeants/security guards. The incumbent shall also be responsible to perform any other task assigned by the CEO. Eligibility criteria: retired officer of the armed forces not below the rank of major or preferably LT colonel, specifically from category 1 in the combat corps. Candidate must have exemplary record and medical category AYE. Preference will be given to those having experience in the relevant field. The officer who had been retired/expelled from service on disciplinary grounds will not be considered. B. Preference for advanced/basic intelligence qualified officer with staff/field experience of security/intelligence duties for a minimum period of 2 years. Age limit up to 55 years at the time of application. Nature of employment: the employment shall be on contractual basis, initially for a period of 1 year, extendable on satisfactory performance and need basis. The employment shall not be regularized in future at any stage. Pay and allows lump sum salary/pay equivalent to the initial pay of BPS 18. How to apply: application forms are available on ISCO website. Online applications should be submitted through IESCO website www.iesco.com.pk. Scanned copies of detailed CV, CNIC educational documents, certificates, domicile and experience etc. should also be uploaded. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for interview. Applicants are advised to read the following instructions carefully before applying. Relevant prescribed application form available on the IESCO website. Instructions: applications will apply online along with following related documents uploaded with online application portal within 15 days positively from the publication of advertisement. Number 1, copy of detailed CV with updated career history in chronological order with starting and ending date, month, year, and with mentioning of all qualifications required. Copy of CNIC, copy of discharge certificate/pension book, PN number, copy of service record or arming showing appointments, health unit/HQs and courses results, read entry if any, medical category etc. Copy of certifications (bracket में लिखा हुआ if any) copies of degrees/testimonials duly verified by the Higher Education Commission HEC. Detailed separate list of experiences in chronological order with starting and ending date, month, year along with experience letter/certificate etc. No application will be accepted by hand/courier. Dismissed employees of any organization or having criminal record are not eligible for employment in IESCO. Applications incomplete in any respect will not be entertained, and no claim whatsoever thereof will be acceptable candidates already serving in government/semi-government organization/autonomous bodies should apply through proper channel along with NOC of the respective department issued on its letterhead. Original and one set of attested photocopies of the documents must be presented by the candidates at the time of interview. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for interview/selection process. No TA/TA will be admissible for interview/selection process. IESCO reserve the right to withhold/cancel the whole recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. Only those candidates with complete eligibility as on closing date of advertisement can apply. Any candidate having any deficiency shall not be considered even if it is expected to be completed after closing date of advertisement. Director General HR, IESCO, Head Office, Street 40, Sector G-7/4, Islamabad. Telephone number 0519252080, 0519252080. Fax number है 0519253071, 0519253071. बिजली चोरी दीनी, इखलाकी और कौमी जुर्म है। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।